In this video, I'm going to show you a new feature within Wondershare Filmora version 12. Let me show you the version that I'm currently using. So this is 12.1.9 and it's relating to Chatgpt, which is one of the biggest things that's happening right now. Everyone's talking about it and a lot of businesses are trying to integrate Chatgpt with systems, and Wondershare Filmora has done that. So this is a raw, unedited video of me just testing the new feature. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add this timeline video to the timeline, which is one of my previous videos that I published relating to Wondershare Filmora feature called speech to text. Now I believe I saw the option when I export. Let's delete that. Testing Chatgpt. Okay, so when I export this, apparently I saw a feature here about AI title and description for social media when done. Send a reminder, but let me click on this. So this is the AI option to create some content. At the moment I've got remaining question 20 and my daily limit is 20. So let me ask this AI, create a YouTube title and description about Wondershare Filmora AI Copywriting Chatgpt feature. Let's see what that returns. So AI is thinking of answers. Okay, so this is what it returned. Title: revolutionize your video editing with Wondershare Filmora AI Copywriting Chatgpt feature. Description: are you tired of spending countless hours searching for copywriting free music for your video projects? Look no further than Wondershare Filmora's AI Copywriting Chatgpt feature. I don't know how the copywriting free music is related to AI, but let's keep going. This cutting feature technology takes the hassle out of finding the perfect audio tracks for your videos by using advanced artificial intelligence to suggest perfectly fitting audio tracks for your project. Say goodbye. Oh, really? I don't really know where that feature is, but there you go. So this is the AI copywriting feature. It's in beta. Let me ask another question. Where is the Filmora AI copywriting audio feature? Let's see if this makes sense or this returns anything. Sorry, as along. Yep. So this is normally the generic response that Chatgpt will return if it doesn't have an answer. Okay, that's fine. Let me ask, what is Wondershare Filmora? Okay, so I've got 18 questions left, so this would decrease and the daily limit is 20. So here we go. Wondershare Filmora is a video editing software that allows users to create and edit professional quality videos. Yeah, this is pretty accurate, but there's not a lot of text. I don't know what the limit is. Let me see if I can say expand this response. So generally in Chatgpt, if you put in the continue with the prompt and you mention continue or expand, it will continue from the previous response and just expand it. Let's see if this happens. No, so this looks like it's a new session. I'm sorry. Yep. So that's, I guess, the limitation with this AI copywriting beta. It seems like it's a one-to-one question and answer response. So every question and answer is just one session. So there you go. This is the AI copywriting feature within Wondershare Filmora. It's a new feature. it seems all right. I mean, you could always use Chatgpt if you really want to refine it, but if you wanted to quickly get a quick response to a particular question, if you wanted to get ideas about the video that you're creating and generate a title and a description, you can do so with this option. It would have made more sense maybe if Wondershare Filmora analyzed the video content based on the actual audio with the speech to text feature, and then provide you with information that is within the video and provide the description or the title based on the video. But there you go, everyone. So just if you want to try this feature, you can use it in Wondershare Filmora. If you're not using Wondershare Filmora, it's a great tool. You can click on the link in the description and you can try it out if you want. There's a trial version as well. Now, if this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.